If you're having trouble sending audio messages on your iPhone, don't worry, I've got some solutions for you. This issue might be caused by settings, connectivity problems, or even app glitches. Here's how to fix it. Solution 1. Check audio message settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap App, scroll down, and tap Messages. Scroll to Audio Messages. Ensure expire is set to never or your preferred duration to prevent messages from disappearing too quickly. Solution 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or has cellular data enabled. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to cellular data or vice versa to see if that resolved the issue. Solution 3. Restart the Messages app. Swipe up from the bottom of the home screen or double-click the home button to open the app switcher. Swipe up on the Messages app to close it. Reopen the Messages app and try sending the audio message again. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 4. Check for iOS updates. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Updating your iPhone may fix any bugs affecting audio messages. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset all settings. This will reset your preferences without deleting your data. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of not being able to send audio messages on your iPhone. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.